Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide fonts from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide fonts from control panel, go to search. In search type control panel, click on control panel. Here in control panel you will find fonts and you can add, change or manage fonts from here. Now I am going to hide this fonts option from control panel. Close control panel. Go to search. In search type GP edit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative templates. Click on control panel. Here you will find a setting hide specified control panel items, and now it's not configured. Right click on the setting and click on edit. Select enabled. On list of disallowed control panel items you will find a show button. Click on show. Under value type Microsoft M capital dot fonts F capital Microsoft.fonts. Now click on OK. Click on apply and OK. Now the setting is enabled. Close local group policy editor. Now you need to update the group policy. Right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type gp update / force to update group policy immediately. Click on OK. Updating the policy. Now you need to sign out the computer and then sign in again. Click on start menu. Click on the profile icon and click on sign out. After signing in again, I am going to check. Go to search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel and look, fonts option is not showing in control panel. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.